Looks like my piano needs a little bit of work, but so does this property. And amazingly enough, people do leave pianos behind when they're selling their properties. And this one's a little bit out of tune. That goes perfectly with my playing, not very good. I wanted to show you this project today. We're just getting started here, and it's going to be a pretty good one. It's a flip, it's a big house, and we're going to do a lot of changes here. So we'll keep you updated as we move along with the project. But for now, I wanted to just show you some of the stuff we have going on throughout the house. In the kitchen, we're really going to be opening up this space. We're going to be taking down this wall, and we're going to be removing this door. Instead, we're going to add a second window, which will really create a lot of light in this room and really make it feel big and modern. We're excited to share that with you. Down here in the living room area, we're going to be removing this door and replacing it with a big patio door heading out to a beautiful side yard. This is a big room, and it's going to look fantastic when it's done. It's going to be a great room for this future family to entertain in. And down in the basement here, we're going to be adding a bedroom and a bathroom. We're going to turn this open space into a beautiful living space with amazing floors. It's going to look awesome. We encourage you to follow us along on our website at roiconstruction.ca or check us out on social media on Facebook and Instagram. In the meantime, if you have any friends or family that need a renovation done, feel free to send them our email address or share this video. info@roiconstruction.ca. Now the demo crew will be showing up in just a few minutes, so I got to get a little practice in before this piano disappears. Have an awesome day, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching.